Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to remove the green screen on a video on CapCut. So to start with, start by adding your green screen and now select your clip and the timeline. And I wanted to go to video, you're probably going to start in basic, and I wanted to go to remove BG or background. And now simply click on the tick mark outside the chroma key, click color picker here, and now choose the green screen. From here, I wanted to increase the intensity until it blacks out, like, let's see, like as best as you can without, or to diminish as much green as you can. And now from here, I wanted to go and add what you want to appear on the green screen. For this, I'm just going to use what we already have here from CapCut. Simply drag it down on the timeline, extend it here. And we don't want this text to be on top, so I wanted to take the video here and drag it on top of CapCut. And now, click here and you can adjust it if this is what I want to show. And now when I click play, you can see that we have removed the green screen successfully. And that is basically how you remove green screens in CapCut Desktop.